right, here we got a FREEMAN 4000 hydraulic loader. This will fit many different tractors. I don't know what it came off of 100%. But look right here, we got all kinds of brackets. This is all adjustable back here. There's bolts in this bucket. There's some more in that bucket, and everything will be put back in that bucket. This piece is with it, we believe. And I think that might be a cross piece at the top, like that, except it goes further up. But these things are versatile. They hook on back on your axle. That may go on the front of your tractor. If we find any more, it snowed pretty good, but that's the parts we have with it, we believe. So that's the parts we got with it. Looks like a good bucket on it. We'll get pictures of that cutting edge. It's got a 79-inch wide bucket. You can see the cylinders look good. There's a little bit of pitting you might need to clean up when you hook it up. It might need some hoses. Some of the outer hoses kind of scaling off, but hard to find a straight loader, and this one looks good and straight, nearest I can tell. It's going to sell absolute on Tractor House Auction. It was a high dollar loader when it was new. Probably fits all your Fords and that kind of thing, but